Okay. So in the last class, we were discussing about some of the Pythagoras triplets. Those were very important, and today we are going to just go ahead with that only. We will start. So what was the first Pythagoras triplets? It was
3, 3, 4. No, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, and 5.
Yeah.
What is the next odd number? It is 5. And then you have 5, 12, and 13.
Yeah.
The next odd number was 7, which is 7, 40, and 41. Then it was 9. No, I think it was
7, 24, and 25.
24 and 25, sorry. And then it was 9, 40, and 41.
Yeah.
Then you
11,
can also
60, 61.
Apart from that, we have two more Pythagoras triplet. It was 8, 15, and 17.
Yeah. And
Also,
20, 21, 29.
Wonderful. Now these Pythagoras triplets also works with the doubling of these numbers and the half of these numbers. Sometimes you will be given one of the side as 1.5 and the other side is 2. So what could be the next side? So in that case, the same Pythagoras triplet will come into play. So what you need to do is, if you see a decimal point, you just try to multiply, try to see that a number should be multiplied so that it becomes a whole number. So if you double it, again, if you double 1.5, it is going to be 3. If you double 2, it is going to be 4. So that means you have done the half of 3 and 4. So you have to do the half of 5 as well. So the third side is going to be 2.5. And let us check it. So what is 1.5 square? It is 2.25.
Yeah.
And what is 2 square? It is 4.
Yeah.
If you add them, you are going to get 6.25, which is 2.5 square.
Huh.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now can you tell me, if one of the side is 2.5, another side is 6, what could be the third side?
It would be 7.5.
It will be 6.5.
6.5.
Okay, if one of the side is 3.5 and it is 12, what could be the next side?
It would be 12.5.
Very good. If one of the side is 20, this side is 20.5, what could be the first side?
4.5.
Wonderful. So if this becomes 22, this becomes 120, what will this become?
122.
So whenever you see these numbers, you have to check if they are having any common factor, and if you divide with a common factor, highest common factor, you will reach to any of these for sure, any of these Pythagoras triplet, and then you can see by which factor it has been multiplied or divided. The same factor will be applied to the other side as well, because in a triangle, these are known as similar triangles and the sides are always proportional. All right. Okay. Now from here, we are going to do some practice questions. And since you are on mobile, if you were on laptop, I could have asked you to share your screen. But right now, I don't think that you can share your screen.
No.
So you will be doing questions and I will be filling up the answers for you. Okay?
Okay.
And later on, you can practice with the Misha's IXL worksheet. So right now, we are going to do in my worksheet, and later on, you can do the same practice questions in your worksheet as well. So we are going to do in Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let us do this. So if two of the sides are 64 yard and 48 yard, what could be the third side? And you can use the calculator. Okay, You have to find the square root of 48 square and 64 square, and you have to tell me to the nearest tenth.
Yeah. So that's 8 and 48. 8 and 6.93.
What's your answer?
It's 8 and 6.93. So
No. What you are doing? You have to find the third side. You know how to find the third side? A square plus b square is equal to
that's what I'm
c.
doing. That's what I'm doing.
No, but
One
why you
minute.
were saying 6 point something? What you were saying that?
Huh? Yeah, I was saying 48 square root.
Okay. Are you really finding 48 square and 64 square?
Well, I know
Okay.
that 64 is 8, so I don't really have to work that one out.
Okay,
But
fine. Okay, tell me the answer. I want just the answer from you. What is C? And then I will ask you to share me the process, and then I will tell you a trick how to solve it quickly.
14.93.
So your answer is 14.93.
Yeah.
Can you tell me how you
Wait,
did this?
No, it's not.
Okay.
222.85.
The answer is 222.85.
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Can you tell
My
me?
maths got mixed up somewhere.
No, can you tell me how you did?
I found the square root of yeah. I should not have done that. Wait, I can figure it out. Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. No hurry, take your time. Think, think and do.
Is it 18?
How much?
80.
80? Very good. So,
Yeah.
how you found? Can you share me your experience?
I squared 64 and I squared 48, and then I square rooted the answer.
Okay, that's fair enough. Now, can you tell me the highest common factor of 64 and 48?
8.
8. 8 is the highest common factor. You think you can have 16 as well?
Yeah, 16.
So, if you divide 48 by 16, how much you will get?
3. Yeah.
So, if it is 3, 4, what could be the next side?
5.
And since they are being multiplied by 16, so 5 will also be multiplied by 16, and what you will get?
80.
Is it more easier?
Yeah.
Let me see if you can do this with this method. So first you have to try this method. You have to check with the highest common factor if it is working or not. Okay, again. Now this is a different case. So do you have any common factor?
74 and 70. I know I
74 and 70. Do you have any highest common factor?
mean, 2. There's probably
Okay.
something higher than that.
Yeah. So if you divide it by 2, you are getting 37
Yeah.
and 35, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is 37 square? Do you know what is 37 square?
No idea.
It is 1369.
Yeah.
And 35 square is 1225.
Hmm.
If you subtract, you will get 441. So 144 is whose square?
12.
12.
Oh, so it's gonna be 5, 12, 13.
No. 35 has been multiplied by 2 to make it 70. 37 is multiplied by 2 to make it 74. So 12 will be multiplied by 2 to make it 24.
24.
Are you getting it?
7, 24, 25.
No, that's not 7, 24, 25. That's a different. This is a completely different case. This case you can write it in your notebook. This is a different case. You can write 12, 35 and 37. Make this in your notebook as well. So this is the new one that we have found. 12, 35 and 37. How we can remember this? So it's easy. 12 into 3 is how much? What is 2 plus 1? So I keep on bringing more and more logics, different logics to make you remember and to keep myself remember as well. What is 1 plus 2? Tell me.
3.
And if you multiply 12 by 3, how much you are going to get?
36.
So it is 1 less than 36 and 1 more than 36. So like that you can remember 12, 35 and 37 is another Pythagoras triplet which we need to remember. Understood?
Yeah.
So in the batch of 7 Pythagoras triplets, add this 8th one as well. So I have also learned this today with you. Okay. So it is 12, 35 and 37.
Yeah.
Okay. So the answer to this one will be 24. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
We don't need to do the squares of the bigger number. We can do the squares of the smaller number as well. Tell me this, any common factor for these numbers?
Yeah, 5.
5. So what Pythagoras triplet you will land up to if you divide it by 5?
5, 12, 13.
So if they are being multiplied by 5, 13 will also be multiplied by
5.
So what C will be?
It would be 65.
Understood?
Huh?
Next.
Next. This is also 5.
Okay. Then divide it and let me know.
40 divided by 5 is 8. And 75 divided by 5 is 15.
Okay.
So it's 8, 15, 17.
Okay.
So 17 times 5 is 85?
Correct. How quickly you are finding this? Okay. This one. This one doesn't belong to any Pythagoras triplet. So the square root you have to find using the help of the
Round to the nearest 10.
calculator. Without calculator you can't do this.
Oh, okay.
So how you will do it? So first
80,
80 no first listen to me.
81 minus 9.
Under root 72.
Yeah.
So what is under root 72? Tell me.
It is
8.5.
8.5.
Okay. And what is the next number after 8.5?
It's 8.4852.
Okay. So
6.74.
So 8.5.
Yeah.
Keep it up. Next one, you have to make the figure according to the question in your notebook if you can make it, and then solve this. Let me know how much, what value you are going to find this. See, if you are doing trigonometry, the first thing that you have to be well versed with is the Pythagoras triplet.
Yeah.
Then only you can move on to sines and cosines law. You are doing so many different things that is not required initially. Initially, you have to understand what is Pythagoras theorem and how to find the third side. Okay, do this. Is the question visible to you?
Yeah, it is. I'm just reading it. So he starts the far left corner.
So you have to make the figure as well.
Okay, so for this one, it's 2 squares 4 and 5 squares 25.
Can you tell me the path of Patrick first? Patrick's bedroom is 2 meters long and 5 meters wide, starting at the far left corner. That means this is the far left corner.
Yeah.
Patrick walks down the length. So this is not the length. Walks down the length across the width and then diagonally back to the left, far left corner. Okay, so let us suppose from here. So down the length and then across the width and then diagonally back to the, it is going like this. So
Yeah.
that means 2 plus 5 plus under root of 4 plus 25, that is 29. Okay,
Yeah.
so that means it is going to be 7 plus under root 29. How much will be under root 29? It will be 5.3 something like
5.35.
5.35.
385.
So you have to make it to 5.4.
Yeah.
So 7 plus 5.4 will be 12.4.
Yeah.
Let us say if it is correct or not. 12.4. Super, very good, very good. Now let us see if you can do this question.
12 plus, no, what? 36 plus 4 is 40. Square root of 40 is
9.
6.32.
How much?
6.32.
6 point, come on dear. You know 48 is very close to 49 and 49 square root is 7. It can't be 6.32 beta.
Not 48, just 40.
Okay, 40. Okay, fine. 6.36.
6.32.
So it's 6.3 only. So 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 6.3, that is 14.3. Let us see. Fantastic. Beautiful question for you. Let me see if you can do this. A flying squirrel lives in the nest that is 5 meters up in the tree but wants to eat an acorn that is on the ground 5 meters away. from the base of her tree. If the flying squirrel glides from her nest to the corn, then scurries back to the base of the tree, and then climbs up to the tree to her nest, how far will the flying squirrel travel in total? If necessary, round to the nearest tenth.
um, okay, so it's 5 on both sides, I think.
No, if you have any answer, you can let me know and then I will check along with you.
Mm.
Tell me what's your
So
answer.
5 square plus 5 square is 50. Square root of 50 is 7.07.
So 7.1 only.
Yeah.
Okay. If flying squirrel lives in a nest that is 5 meters up in the tree. Okay, so I'm going to make a tree now. So this is 5 meters. But wants to eat an acorn that is on the ground 5 meters away from the base of a tree. That means this is going to be 5. If the flying squirrel glides from her nest to the acorn, then scurries back to the base of the tree and then climbs up. That means 10 plus 7.1. So it will be
Yeah.
17.1.
Yeah.
Oh my god, brilliant. Let us find B now.
9 square is 81 plus 36 is
How it is plus?
100.
First of all,
Oh, minus.
yes.
Minus.
If it is the largest side, you have to subtract.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 81 minus 36 is 40 something.
45, not something.
45. Square root of 45 is 6.71.
So we will write 6.7 only. Mitchell's house is due west of Westford and due south of Arlington. Westford is 5.5 miles from Mitchell's house and 8.6 miles from Arlington. How far is Arlington from Mitchell's house measured in a straight line? Necessary, round to the nearest tenth.
So this is Westford and this is Arlington. Okay, so
Yes.
5.5 square is 30.25. And 8.6.
Mitchell's house is due west of the Westford and due south of the Arlington. Westford is 5.5 miles from Mitchell's house. Okay. Mitchell's house is due west of Westford and due south.
6.61.
south of Arlington. So I think
6.61.
this is Arlington, this is Westford, this is Mitchell's house. Westford is 5.5 from Mitchell's house and 8.6 miles from Arlington. So you have to do 55 square and 86 square, and whatever you will get, you have to find the square root of that number.
6.6.
6.6, how much? It should be at
Six.
least greater than 8 beta. It is the largest side. At least.
Right.
Huh?
What did I miss? Oh, right. Yup, got it.
Wait.
How do you know what's the largest side?
Okay, let us check again.
Because it says it's west of Westford and south of Arlington.
Okay. Westford is 5.5 miles from Mitchell's house. Oh my god. So you were doing correct only. What's your answer?
6.6.
So I will type 6.6 without any question now. Correct. Fantastic. Great job. Okay, this is easy, I think.
Oh, lovely. Okay. 2.4 square is 5.76 plus 5.76 is 11.52. Square root of that is 3.39. So 3.4.
3.31.
No, 3.39. So 3.4.
Okay, so I hope now you can do this. Easy.
Yeah.
So it is P1 in geometry.
Okay.
P2. Prove the Pythagoras theorem. So this will take a lot of time. I don't want you to prove it. Converse of Pythagoras inequality theorem. The sides of a triangle have the length 6, 8 and 10. What kind of triangle it is?
It's I don't know.
3. Yeah, you have to check the squares. Let us see how they are asking us to find the kind of triangle.
You already know the Pythagorean theorem, which tells us that in a right triangle, the sum of the squares of the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. But did you know there is a Pythagorean inequality theorem that we can use to tell us if a triangle is right, acute, or obtuse? That's what we'll be learning about today. In a right triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the lengths of the legs and c is the length of the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse c is always along the side. For the legs, it doesn't matter which is shorter, but for this diagram, we will see a is shorter than b. So a is less than or equal to b is less than or equal to c. We'll make a the shorter side throughout our examples today. Now, what happens if a squared plus b squared is greater than c squared?
Okay, so I will discuss this with a very simple analogy. Okay, so let us suppose that this is a side length. Okay, and this is another side length of 90 degrees. So we say that this is A, B and C. So we say that A square plus B square is equal to C square. This is what we have.
Yeah.
If I drop this line, if I rotate this line with an acute angle now,
Mm.
so what do you think? Is the line C reduced or it is the same? Is it reduced?
I mean, it doesn't fit anymore.
Can you see the length of C is being
It's
reduced?
only.
I have to reduce it to make the
Oh
triangle.
yeah.
So that
Yeah.
means in that case, can I say that A square plus B square? See, I have just rotated B. So the change that I have to do is with C. Since I have reduced the C, so can I say that A square plus B square is greater than C square?
Yeah.
So if it happens, what kind of triangle it is?
Huh?
Acute angle triangle. See,
Yeah.
these two angles were already acute. The third angle
Yeah.
only decides what kind of triangle it is.
Mm.
So since the third angle I made is now acute, I lessened it. So I can easily say that this is the inequality for acute angle triangle. Alright?
Yeah.
Let us see one more. Now if I am just rotating this, see this. I am just rotating it to make an obtuse angle triangle.
Mhm.
Can you tell me that to make this triangle, I need to increase the length. Can you see?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have to increase the length. And now if
Yeah.
I need to increase the length, that means what I am increasing. See, A remains same only, B remains same only. I have to
Yeah.
increase the length. So since C has been increased, so C square now will be greater than A square plus B square. So if that is the case, we say that the triangle is obtuse. Alright, very beautiful theorem. I haven't learned it in my whole of the life. Today only I am learning along with you. Okay, so let's do some questions. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is a power of IXL. They teach in such a brilliant manner. So in this you can see 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So this is a right angle triangle. Okay,
Yeah.
it is obviously if you divide all of them by 2, you will get 3, 4, 5 only.
Yeah.
Okay, what about this? 3 square plus 6 square is how much? Is it greater than 7 square or it is less than 7 square?
Um, 9 plus 36 is less than.
Hmm?
Less than, so it's acute.
Okay, so it is acute.
Yeah.
Now hypotenuse is the largest side. Largest
Yeah.
means it is the square. So this you have increased, I think. 36 plus 9 is 45. This is 49. This should be obtuse, beta.
So if those two are less than it, then it means it's obtuse.
You think from the triangle perspective. I made the triangle in front of you. Think if both of them are equal, they are right angle triangle. Now if you rotate it, if you make the obtuse angle, which length you are going to increase? The hypotenuse. So the square
Yeah.
of the hypotenuse is more than the square of the sum of the squares of both the sides. It is obtuse angle triangle.
Okay.
Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
You don't need to remember it. Just think in your mind. You just rotate the third perpendicular side and you will find that the hypotenuse has to increase to complete the triangle.
Yeah.
So now let me see if you can do.
3, 8, and 8.
It is but obvious acute only because
Yeah.
3 square plus 8 square is anyway going to be more than 8 square.
Yeah. 8, 9, and 10. Um, it's gonna be acute.
Acute?
Yeah. 12, 12, and 16. 16 squared is 206.
56.
256.
256.
Okay. The sides of it.
81 plus 9.
It's obtuse. Yeah.
Because 10 square is greater than 81 plus 9.
Yeah. 5, 11, and 14. It's obtuse.
Wonderful.
11, 34, and 40. I have no idea what 34 and 40 squared are.
Okay. So you can do the half of them. What is the half of 34 square? What is the half of 34?
Half of 34 is 17, and 17 square is 289.
Correct. What is 5.5 square? 30.25.
30.25. And
You
40
add them. 289 plus 30.25.
is obtuse.
No, you have to don't check
Well,
with
yes, but the
40.
triangle's obtuse because it's less than.
No, I'm saying that don't check with 40. Check with 20. So 20 square is 400. So 400 is greater than, yeah, it is obtuse, but don't check with 40. Okay? Check with 20. Then also it will come obtuse only.
Yeah.
6, 10, and 15.
6, 10, and 15. 36 plus 100 is less than, so it's obtuse.
Okay.
36, 39, and 21. 36 half is 18, so that's 324. 39 half is what?
19.5.
I have no idea what square of that is.
Okay. Today I'm going to teach you the squares of the numbers ending with 5.
Yeah.
So what is 5 square?
25.
So now you see what there is a pattern. What is 15 square?
225.
What is 25 square?
625?
What is 35 square?
I have no idea.
See, get an idea. So you have to multiply the previous number, the number at the tens place, with the consecutive numbers, and then add 25 to it. That's a very simple pattern. So 0 is multiplied by 1, and then you will write 25, that is 0, 25. 1 is multiplied by 2 to get 2 and 25. 2 is multiplied by 3 to get 6 and 25. 3 is multiplied by 4 to get 12 and then 25. So if I ask you what is 45 square, so 4 is multiplied by 5 to get 20.
1625. Oh.
2020.
How?
4 is multiplied by 5. What is the consecutive number of 4?
Oh,
5.
5. Yeah.
So 55 square.
55 square is 5 times 6, 30 and 25. 65 is, yeah. 75 is. Oh, so it's just multiplied by one number above it, consecutive number. Okay.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
So what will be 85 square?
It's 7225.
95 square?
9025.
105 square?
11025.
And it goes on like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you got the square to find the square of 19.5. So 19 will be multiplied by 20. So which will be 380, and then you will write 25. Easy now?
Yeah. That's really easy, actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's move on to the question again. So you don't need to find the square of 39. I think you should find the square of 10.5, because this is the largest side. You have to check with these two. So 36 is 18 square, which is 324, and then
Yeah.
10.5 is 11025, 110.25. So 324 plus 110, just check it out. 324 plus 110 is how much?
324 plus 110.25.
And you don't need to check exact as well. See, you have to approximate beta. So once you approximate, you will get it that it is greater than 400. And if you do the half of 39, that is half of 40, it is going to be approximately 400. So that means it is less than, the highest side is less than the square of the both the sides. So it is acute angle triangle. Understood?
Yeah. Can I just write down the trick about any fives quickly?
Yeah, why not? Trick for this squares of 5?
Yeah.
Please write down. With me, I will teach you so many tricks. Okay, Ania, at this stage we have to stop the class because okay, no, you can write it. It's okay. You can write it. The thing is that we have to stop the class because my son is having an examination tomorrow as well. So I am going to teach him as well. Okay. And
Yeah.
it's been 1 hour since you joined late, so it happened today. Or else
Yeah.
we could have. Okay, so please write down if you want to write down. I have shared the PDF with you as well in the group.
Okay, then okay, then that's fine. Then if you've shared the PDF, then I can
Yeah,
just look from
yeah,
there.
yeah. I have shared the PDF, and you can do
Yeah.
the sheet number P1, P2, P3, P4.
Yeah.
Not,
Okay.
don't do P3, P4, P2, P3. Just do P1 and P4.
Okay.
P1 and P4 you can practice in the Misha's ID, and I
Yeah.
hope that you already know the ID, IXL.
Yeah.
If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. I will share the user ID password. Okay?
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.